Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a Google Chrome error where it says this site can't be reached. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side where you hover over it. It says Settings, so go ahead and left click on that. Select the Network and Internet tile. And now on the right side underneath your internet type, just scroll down and then select underneath Advanced Network Settings. Select where it says Change Adapter Options. Select your internet or Ethernet, Wi-Fi, whatever is selected here by default, whatever your internet connection type is, and right click on it and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 parentheses TCP/IPv4 and select Properties. Make sure obtain an IP address automatically and obtain a DNS server just automatically are both selected there, and then select OK. Close it here. And now what I want you guys to do is open up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And into this elevated command line window, you want to go type in ipconfig space /flush DNS, exactly as it appears on my screen. So again, ipconfig space and then a /flush DNS. Flush DNS is all one word. Hit enter on the keyboard. It should come back with successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Next command I want you guys to type in is netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Again, exactly how it appears on my screen. Hit enter. So it should say successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem. And one further thing you can try here, you can try resetting the Chrome browser to default. I would recommend trying that if all the other browsers are working correctly and Google Chrome is the only one that's having problems. So if that is true, we can go ahead and open up Chrome here. And you want to select the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser screen, which is represented by 3 dots all stacked one on top of the other. Go ahead and left click on that, and then you want to select where it says Settings. So go ahead and left click on that. And now you want to go ahead and scroll down all the way to the bottom here. Select Advanced. And where it says Restore Settings to their original default, go ahead and actually left click on that. It says this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. Select the Reset Settings button. And then you should go ahead and restart your computer at this point, and then hopefully your problem should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.